Hi learners, welcome to SoftDigix Online Code Learning Academy. We are providing online live coding classes for all school and college students. In this channel, we will create video tutorials for the students to learn basics of coding. To know our updates, kindly subscribe our channel. Let us start now. To begin with Scratch, we need to know about what is Scratch. Scratch is the simple programming techniques which can understand by kids. Instead of typing lines of code, we can use drag and drop colorful blocks to create applications. It is very easy to use. Kids can create projects using Scratch blocks to make or create applications easily using code blocks. It also includes animations, music, videos, and games. Let's begin. First, we open the Scratch. The window contains following sections: the stage and sprites window. The stage is the white rectangular area in top left corner where all the animations run. It is an area used for sprites to move and create stories and animations. To run the program, we need to click flag button. The sprites is below the stage which contain animated images. Next is the block palettes. Blocks are used to create programs. It's having many categories like motions, looks, sounds, events, control, sensing and so on. Each category is specified by separate colors. Depends on our projects, we can use blocks. And then, the scripts area. This section contains scripts. We can drag and drop from blocks into scripts area to build applications. Hi kids, we hope you can understand basics about Scratch in this session. We thought you all very much interesting to create the projects. In next session, we will learn how to create projects using Scratch. To create a new project, we need to know how to create and save a new file, how to use sprites in our projects, then how to code using blocks and coordinate system. Let's begin now. To create a new file, we need to open Scratch online or offline editor. This tutorial, we used online editor. We need to open scratch.mit.edu in browser. Once the site opened, we can create projects using create button. Then, click file from menu bar to create new project. If we opened new file, the default cat sprite available in the sprite window. Click save button to save new project. We can delete the cat sprite from sprite window and we can choose other sprite from gallery to select new sprite. The sprite can be located anywhere in the stage. The stage using X and Y axis coordinate system and it can be changed depends on this location. The sprite window displays sprite name, location, direction and visibility. We can edit or create the new sprite using paint tool. Depends on our project, we can choose our sprites from gallery. Next, we will see about backdrops. This will create background image for stage. Background image is also editable same like sprite. Using these sprites and backdrops, we can make many projects using our creativity. Next, we will see about blocks to write coding for sprites movement. In this session, we will learn about blocks. Blocks are scripts which helps to give instructions or information to sprites what to do. Blocks are having different types of instructions or commands or scripts for sprite actions. You can drag the instructions from the blocks palette and drop it in the scripts area. to write a program in Scratch. Under the scripts we have all the different kinds of blocks. We will see one by one blocks now. First we will see motion blocks. Motion blocks are instructions to make the sprite to move, turn, such as number of steps to take, direction of motion, bounce, X and Y points, and if edges found actions. Next is looks block, which is used sprite to say something, think something, change the costumes, backdrops, size, show and hide. Then, sound blocks. This block used to create music, sound and audio for sprites. Next, event blocks. Event blocks are helps to create events when the button clicked. It will respond when the flag or space bar clicked or when message received. And next is control block. This block is used to create controls over sprite. If the event happens forever or using some conditions, we will use this blocks. Then, sensing block. This will happen when sprite meet with mouse pointer, or touching colors, or ask the name like this. Next is operators, which will do some operations like addition, multiplication, less than, greater than, etc. And also we can create our own variables and blocks to do some activities in projects. Blocks are playing very important role in Scratch to create projects. Let us hope you all can understand and enjoy this session. Okay kids, next sessions, we will see more tasks using these blocks.
We will learn about sprite movements using scripts. Let's start learn. To move sprite forward we need to use move 10 steps. We can change the steps value depends on our convenient. Suppose, we want to move backward, mean what we need to do. Let's us think. Yes, we need to use negative value. We will check with different values now. Kids, next we will start some activities now. Activity 1, make sprite dancing. First we have to select sprite whichever you want. And then select move forward and backward steps scripts into script area. Next, I need the sprite should move many times. I have to use repeat block and select times of repetition. I can make this event whenever I select green flag. What we have to do? Let's see now. Okay kids, you can pause this video and try at your system. You can make many activities depends on your creativity. Next, we will see some project activities. In upcoming slides, we shown steps to be followed and code which we need to include. Now, we will see the demo of the projects and try at your system. Let's hope this session are very fun and helpful to you all. Kids, are you ready? We already know, to create new projects we need to follow some steps. First we need to open our online editor and then, click File from menu bar to create new project. Now, we are ready to create our project. Come, let us start our activity now. Now, we choose our sprite and backdrops using following steps. Step 1, select bird from sprites window. Next step, click choose backdrops to choose background image. Once you select both, we will start coding to bird fly. Initially we use control block to choose and drag when space bar pressed, then select X and Y position of sprite. Next, we need to create an event for up arrow, down arrow, left and right arrows, to change the position of X and Y axis. Now, bird is ready to fly. Kindly, follow our demo video instructions to create this activity.
this chapter, we will see project activity using character animation. Using character, we can do many activities like color clicker, spin character, size changer and so on. Let us see the demo now. Initially, we need to create a new project file. Then select letter from letter sprites windows and choose backdrops. Okay kids, now we are ready to start doing our project. Kindly listen and stop the video step by step and try it in your system. To learn more, kindly subscribe us. Thank you all. Happy learnings.